Hello, beautiful people. Muhammad Badon is here. Today, I'm telling you a magical color grade technique. Yes, it's all about Dehancer. Dehancer is a third-party color grade and film effect plugin. You can use it in Davinchi Resolve, Final Cut, Premiere Pro, and After Effects also. It's available on both Windows and macOS. This film emulation totally easy and user-friendly. This is my honest review. I think Dehancer is the best plugin out on the market for all kind of filmmakers. Now I'm going to show you how to use this plugin to create a really popular cinematic look and Hollywood color effects. I'm also going to brief you how to use some of the control or tools, so let's start it. Here I chose some of videos from my drone camera and mobile phone. I want to show you how the answer is effective to all type of device. Let's create our first look. Find the effect option, go to video effect, then film emulation. You can see the answer pro. Drag and drop it to your video. Then go to effect controls and play with the answer. First thing I'm going to recommend, it might get in the way when you are creating a look, so you can go over the film grain section and disable it. Now you have much cleaner shot to work with. So now let's actually build our look. The first thing we are going to do is go over the input. We are working with Rec 709 footage in Premiere Pro. This is also part of the recommendation of most of colorists. After setting the input, we are going to over the film, and now we are going to choose our film stock. It gives us the opportunity to work with the famous Kodak Vision 3 series of film stock, which is used all the time in Hollywood movies. What's really cool about the answer is that it comes with tons of different film stocks, both photographic and motion picture film stock, that you can use it to create very aesthetic and unique looks for your videos. For this shot, I chose Fujichrome Velvia 100. Now you have set our film stock. Now we are go to film developer and enable it. In this section, we boost the color to look more colorful the footage. It's done. Then we go to film compression and we increase the impact. Before the change, please make sure enable the section. We don't change anything here. Then we go to expand section. This is enable itself. We increase the black point here until I'm getting my shadows into a place that I like. It's okay. Then we go to the print section. We decrease the tonal contrast. Then go over the color density to increase it. After the adjustment, you can see before and after. After making adjustment in the print settings, let's go over the color head. You can think of this color head section as where you are going to get creative with building your look. First of all, we change in the settings, shadows, we increase it. We also enter the midtones, then go over the highlights and decrease it. It's all for this video. Now let's see the before and after. Let's color grade the another video with the simple way, which I taken with my cell phone. In this film section, we select the Fujifilm F100C. Let's see the change. And we change the vignette -6. Have a look this video. It's all. Now let's see the before and after. It took less than a minute to color grade this video. This is the power of Dehancer. It's time to color grade the another video which I taken with my Nikon D3200. In that case, I chose the film profile Fujifilm FP100C. It's look better. Then jump to the film developer. I increase the contrast boost and increase the color boost. Then go to film compression. Decrease impact. Also decrease white point. And increase tonal range. Go to expand. Increase black point. Little will decrease white point. It's good. Then go to the color head section. I change the cyan and red to the -5 or similar that. Then increase the highlight. It's good. Then go to the vignette option and decrease to the -2. Let's see the before and after. It's time to color grade another video. In this video, I select the film profile Procodine Gorski 1906. Then go over to film developer. Increase the contrast. Also color boost. Then go to film compression. Change the impact to 0. Increase white point. And tonal range. Let's see the change. Then go to the print section. Increase tonal contrast. Also increased color density. Then go over color head. Change the cyan and red -8 or similar that. Increase shadow and highlight. It's done. Go to another video. In this video, I copied all settings of my previous video by copy and paste. Then change in film developer section and increase the color boost. See the magic, and that's all for it. Let's do something to this video. First thing I do, in film section, I chose the film profile, Fuji Chrome will be 100. Then go to the expand section. Increase the black point. Then go to print section and decrease tonal contrast. It's right there. Let's see the before and after. You can use one setting on multiple videos if you want to do experiment. Sometimes it's look great. That's how you can use the Dehancer Pro to create a very quick and simple but aesthetically pleasing cinematic type film emulation. Dehancer is a powerful tool and a great plugin to have in your arsenal and your library of effects if you are a colorist or a filmmaker. Even a photographer, Dehancer does have Photoshop and Lightroom version of plugin. They also have iOS mobile app to color your photo and videos. I will try to review later one by one of all plugins. If you are looking to add a touch of film authenticity to your project, Dehancer is definitely a great option for that. If you want discount off of Dehancer, you can use the code Badhongraphy and get 10% off Dehancer. If you have any question, let me know down in the comment section, and thank you for watching. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Tata. Bye bye.